How are you? Today we'll solve multiple choice questions from Adwa Gym as this month March this year 2024 second term. Model number 1, choose the correct answer. Letter A. 2 to 5 equal space percent. We must convert from this fraction to percent by product by 100 and divided by 100. Convert to percent because the percent is the ratio. Second term is 100. Then we can write 2 over 5 product by 100 all percent divided by 100. It's meaning this fraction product by 100 all percent. And then you can sample this fraction. 2 over 5 product by 100. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 times 2 equal 40, then the result will be 40%. Question letter A, write 40%. Okay. Question letter B, 30% of a kilometer equals space meter. We want to convert here this percent 30 over 100 of kilometer. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Cancel double zero by double zero and the result will be 3 times 10 equal 300 meter, and the result here will be 300. Letter C, all drinks 4 cups of juice every week, then he drinks 6 cups of juice every day. Right, 14 divided by 7 because one week equals 7 days. Then we must divide it by 7. Divided 14 here divided by 7 equal 2 cups per day. 2 cups per day. Okay, the result here it will be 2 cups of juice every day. Question letter D, 52 pounds equals 6 piastres. To convert from pounds to piastres, you must product by 100. Then the result will be 52 times 100 equal 5,200 piastres. The result will be 5,200 piastres. Product by 100 because 1 pound equal 100 piastres. Question letter E, the point space lies on x-axis. Any point lies on x-axis. The second projector here will be 0, such that E and 0. This point will be E and 0. So any point lies in x-axis. Second projection here will be 0. Then we must choose 5 and 0. Okay, again, any point lies in x-axis. The second projection here must be equal 0, such that E and 0 or 5 and 0. So we must choose last one, 5 and 0. This point lies in x-axis. Okay. Next question. Number 2. 3 over 4 equals space percent. He solved this example, okay, by this colored red, the solution about this example, but he must write here 3 over 4 equal space percent. This is a question. Can you solve this example? It's very easy. To convert any fraction to percent, you must product by 100 and divide it by 100. So you can write 3 over 4 product by 100 over 100 equal 3 over 4 product by 100 or percent. Then the result will be what? 3 over 4 product by 100. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 100 divided by 4 equal 25. 3 times 25 equals 75%. Okay, next question letter B. Ali studies 24 hours in 6 days. Then he studies 4 hours per day. Studies what? 4 hours. Write 4 here. Why? Because he studies 24 hours in 6 days. Then he studies 4 hours per day. Right, 24 divided by 6. Okay, question letter B, the result will be 4 hours per day. Okay, this slash reverse to pair 2. Okay, next example, 1 subtract 3/5 equals space percent. First step, we can find the result between 1 and 3/5, difference between them. Write 1 here equal 5/5, subtract by 3/5, it will be what? 5 minus 3 equal 2, the result will be 2/5. 2/5, you can convert this fraction to percent by product by 100/100. Write 2/5 product by 100 all percent. Okay, and then 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 times 2 equal 40. Then the result will be 40%. The result here will be 40%. Okay. Question letter D. He give us questions. The point A of the order -3 and 5 lies in the space quadrant. Look at with me about the order here. In the first, we have first quadrant, second, third, fourth. The sign here positive and positive. Right, x axis and then y axis. Sign here will be positive and positive as the first quadrant, and second quadrant negative and positive, and third quadrant negative and negative, and fourth right positive and negative. So the sign about this question negative and positive. Negative and positive lies in the second quadrant, right here, second quadrant lies in the second quadrant. Question letter E. 10% of 780 equals space. 10% meaning 10/100 product by 780. You can cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0, and the result will be 78. The result here 78. Okay, understood. Next question. Question letter E. If 4/x plus 5 equal 80%, okay, then he won't find the value of x equal space. To solve this example, you must write 80% in the simplest form. We know 4/x plus 5 equal 80%, it's meaning 80/100. You can cancel 0 by 0 and write 8/10. 8/10, you can divide it by 2 numerator and numerator. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then 4/5 equal 4/x plus 5. Okay, we have 4/x plus 5 equal 4/5. Numerator equal numerator, then denominator equal denominator. Then x plus 5 here will be equal 5. Then the value of x equals 0, because 0 plus 5 equal 5. The value of x here, it will be what? We have 4/x plus 5. It was x plus 5, okay, not x plus 3. Then the result here will be 0, exact result. Okay, 4/x plus 5 equal 80%, is the value of x equals 0. But his solution, this example, x will be to how he solves example 4/x plus 3, not x plus 5. Okay, this result true. But what about he change this example? If he write here x or 4/x plus 3 equal 80%, okay, he solves example by this method. Understood? Again, he write 4/x plus 5, but in the question he write 4/x plus 5. He write wrong. Okay, so I will solve this example by 4/x plus 3. Okay, but if we have here x plus 5, then the value of x will be what? X will be 0. Understood? Okay, my students, the result he solved here x equal to, because he changed 3 from 5 to 3. He write here in the question 5, but he changed here from 5 to 3, then x will be 2. Okay, I will solve this example by 4/x plus 3 equal 80%. Okay, look at here, 4/x plus 3 equal 80%, it's meaning 80/100. Cancel 0 by 0, and 8/10 can divide by 2, it will be 4 over 5. Then 4 over x plus 3 equal 4 over 5. Numerator equal numerator, then denominator equal denominator. Then x plus 3 equal 5, then the value of x here, it will be 2. Because 2 plus 3 equal 5. Okay, understood? Next question, letter B. A speed of a car is 1000 meter per minute. Look at with me, 1000 meter per 1 minute. Convert its speed to kilometer per hour. We want to convert to kilometer per 1 hour. How? By product, by using conversion factor. You must use here 2 steps. The first step, you must cancel meter and write kilometer. Cancel meter here, write meter down and kilometer up. And we must know why we do it, because we won't cancel meter. Meter up in numerator, you must cancel meter, write meter in denominator to cancel them. And write kilometer up. But we must know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. And we won't write hour. You must cancel minute. Write minute here up in numerator to cancel minute. Write minute here, okay, up. To cancel what? To cancel minute. And write down hour. And we must know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, to cancel minute, you must write minute up to cancel this and write hour in the numerator. And then you can complete here, cancel meter by meter and the minute by minute. The remainder was kilometer and the remainder here was hour. 1 times 1000, it will be 1000 up. And we have here 60. Okay, 60 times 1000 here, it will be 60 product by 1000 over 1 times 1000 times 1. Okay, you can cancel 1000 by 1000, then the result will be 60 kilometer per 1 hour. The result here will be what? Write 60 kilometer per 1 hour. The result here will be 60 kilometer per 1 hour. Okay, 60 kilometer per 1 hour. It's the result and these steps. You must know these steps to solve in example by using conversion factor. Okay. Look at with me about next question, model number 2. 26%. Look at with me here. We want to write this example in the simplest form. 26%. We know any percent, meaning the ratio, second projection. We have here 26%. It means 26 over 100. Second term here, it will be 100. And then you can divide it by 2 numerator and denominator. Divided by 2 here, it will be 13. 100 divided by 2 equal 50. Then the result will be 13 over 50. And what about question letter B? 1 over 5 convert to percent. 1 over 5, we can convert to percent by product by 100 numerator and denominator. And then write 1 over 5 product by 100 or percent. Divided by 100, it's meaning percent. 100 divided by 5, it will be 20. Then the result will be 20%. Question letter C. We have 160 kilometer per 4 hours. It will be equal space kilometer per 1 hour. You must divide 160 by 4 to convert this conversation here. Convert from rate to unit rate by divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 equal 4 and write 0. Then the result will be 40 kilometer per 1 hour. The result will be 40. Okay, write 40 in the space. Question letter D. Which of the following points lies on y-axis? Any point lies in y-axis, the first projection will be 0, such that this point here, the distance was A, the point will be 0 and A. So any point lies in y-axis, the first projection will be equal 0. Then we must choose 0 and 3 is the solution about this example. Next example, question letter E. 10% of 65 kilogram. 10% of 65 kilogram. You can write 10 over 100 product by of semi-product by 65 kilogram to convert. It's wrong, okay? Kilogram to kilometer. No, it will be kilogram. Okay, you must change this word kilometer and write kilogram. Okay, you must change this word here and write kilogram. Okay, and then you can cancel 0 by 0. Then the result will be 65 over 10. The result will be 6.5 kilogram. The result will be 6.5. Okay, but you must change this word kilometer to kilogram. Okay, next example. Complete. Letter E. 1 subtract by half equals space percent. 1 subtract by half, it will be half. Half will be 50%. The result will be 50. Question letter B. 540 minutes equal space hours. To convert from minutes to hours, you must divide it by 60. Right? 540 divided by 60. Cancel 0 by 0, and 54 divided by 6 equal 9. Then the result will be 9 hours. Question letter C. The coordinate of the original point will be what? 0 and 0. Coordinate of original point 0 and 0. It's coordinate here. Question letter D. We have force plus 65% equal space percent. We know force, it will be 25% plus 65%. We can add them. 5 plus 5 10, 0 and carry up 1. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 equal 9. The result will be 90%. The result will be 90%. Question letter E. Force day product by what? To convert to hours. You want to convert from day to hours. Force day equals space hours. It's a question, okay? And we can solve the example by using conversion factor. We can write force day product by what? To convert to hours. You must cancel day. Cancel this unit here, day, write day in numerator. Write day in numerator and write hours in numerator. And we know 1 day equal 24 hours. And then you can cancel day by day, and 24 divided by 4 equals 6 hours. Result will be 6 hours. It's the steps about this example. Question number 3. Put more than or less than or equal to. Question number 1. Force or 4%. Which greater? We know force, it will be 25%. 25% greater than 4%. You must write greater than. Question number 2. 3.5 centimeter to millimeter. We can solve the example by using conversion factor. Write 3.5 centimeter product by what? To cancel centimeter, write centimeter down and millimeter up. And we know 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. And then you can cancel centimeter by centimeter, and 3.5 product by 10, it will be 35 millimeter. The result will be 35. Right here, 35 is the space. Next example. Hani bought a fridge of 16,000 lira. He paid 40% of the price. How much money did he pay? Okay, we can write first step, write the percentage 40 over 100 product by 16,000. Okay, because he write here 40% of the price. He paid 40%. Okay, he won't find how much money did he pay. Write 40%, meaning 40 over 100 product by 16. Okay, understood? Again, Hani bought a fridge for 16,000 lira. If he paid 40% of the price, he paid 40% of the price. How much money did he pay? We can write 40 over 100 product by the number here to find the money paid. Okay, the money paid, we write 40%, mean 40 over 100 product by the total money 16,000. Then you can cancel double zero by double zero and write double zero here. 4 times 16 equals 64. The result will be 6,400 Egyptian lira. That was letter B. Okay, and next question, choose the correct answer. Which point lies in the third quadrant? The third quadrant, negative and negative. We have first, second, third, and fourth. The third sign here will be negative and negative. Choose negative 3 and negative 5 lies in the third quadrant. Okay, question letter B. What about space over 60 minutes is conversation factor? Conversation factor is comparing between two equality amounts by using different units. 60 minutes equal 1 hour. 60 minutes equal 1 hour. Okay, write 1 hour up. It's a conversation factor. Numerator and denominator equality. Question letter C. 1 subtract by 1 over 5 equals space percent. We can write 1 here equal 5 over 5, subtract by 1 over 5, it will be 4 over 5, and then you can convert 4 or 5 to percent by product by 100, and then divided by 100, and then write 4 over 5, product by 100, all percent. Okay, and next step, you can sample it. 4 over 5 times 100, 100 divided by 5 equal 20, 20 product by 2 equal 20 product by 4 equal 80%. The result here will be 80%. Question letter D. 30% of 50 kilogram equals space kilogram. 30% of 50 kilogram equals space kilogram. Write 30 over 100 product by 50. Right, cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0, then the result will be 15. Okay, 15 kilogram. Question letter E. 0.5 and 7 Egyptian lira equal space milliliter. You can convert from liter to milliliter by product by 1000. Right, 0. Product by 1000. The result will be 750 milliliter. Question number 2. Letter E. If 12% of the students are absent, then space percent of them are absent. We can find the percent here by write 100%, subtract by 12%. He absent 12% from the total, then the result would be 88%. The result will be 88%. Okay, next question letter B. 5% plus 3 over 4 equals space percent. 5% here plus 75%, because 3/4 equals 75%. You can eat them, it will be 80%. The result will be 80%. Question letter C. Question letter C. A printer prints 120 papers in 2 minutes. Then it prints papers per 1 minute. We can write 120 divided by 2 equals 60. Then the unit rate, we won't find the unit rate here. 60 papers per 1 minute. Okay, next example, question letter D. The y coordinate of Any points that lies on x-axis, it will be 0. Any point lies in y coordinate here, x will be 0. Okay, such that this point was 1. Then this point will be 1. Here we write 0 and 1. Then any point contains of x and y, then x will be equal what? X equals 0. Okay, again, question letter D. The y coordinate of any point that lies on the x-axis lies on y-axis, it will be x equals 0. But in this example, he asked about what? We have point x and y, x coordinate and y coordinate. He asked about what? The y coordinate of any point lies that on x-axis, such that this point was here is in this order. It will be what? It will be a and 0. Okay, he asked about the y coordinate, it will be 0. Okay, again, this example, the y coordinate of any point lies in x-axis, the y coordinate, second projection, will be 0. Second projection here, we called it y coordinate. The y coordinate will be equal 0 at any point lies in x-axis. Okay. Next question, letter E. 60 kilometer per hour convert to kilometer per minute. We can use a conversion factor. We can cancel hour. Okay, we must cancel the hour. Write hour down here and write minute up. Cancel hour here in the numerator, write hour in numerator and the minute numerator to cancel hour by hour. But we must know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, write hour here and the minute. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Cancel hour by hour and cancel 60 by 60. Then the result will be 1 kilometer per 1 minute. The result will be 1 kilometer per minute. Okay, it's the result about this example. Question here, number 3. Find the value of x in x over 20 equal 35%. We can write x over 20 equivalent 35 over 100. You can sample this fraction by divided by 5 numerator and denominator. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, and 100 divided by 5 equals 20. We have 7 over 20 equal x over 20, then the value x will be 7. X here will be what? 7, because numerator and denominator must be equality, because denominator equal denominator. Understood? Then the value of x here, it will be 7. Okay. Next question, letter P. If the speed of a fox is 22 kilometers per 1 hour, find the speed in what? Meter per second. Okay, you want to convert to meter per second. We have two conversion factor. First conversion factor here, cancel kilometer and the new unit will be meter. You must cancel kilometer up, right? Kilometer down. To cancel kilometer, write kilometer down and write meter up. And we know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Okay, 1000 meter. And to cancel hour, write hour in numerator. And 1 hour equal space second. 1 hour equal 3600 second. Right here, 3600 second. Okay, again, 1000. Okay, it's clear, right with me. 1 kilometer equivalent 1000 meter, and 1 hour equivalent 3600 second. You can cancel hour by hour and cancel kilometer by kilometer, and the remainder 72 product by 1000 over 3600. You can cancel 00 by 00, and 72 divided by 36 here, it will be 2 product by 10, it will be 20 meter per second, or 2 meter. We have here how many zeros here? Double zero. 3600, and here 72 times 1000. Cancel. Okay, it's true. 20 meter, not 2. Write 0 here behind 2 because we cancel here double zero by double zero, and 72 divided by 36 equal to 2 times 10 equal 20. Okay, the result will be 20 right here, 20 meter per 1 second. 20 meter per 1 second. Understood? It's clear with you? Okay, so right here 20. The result will be 20. Model number 4, which was the following conversation factor. We know the conversation factor, it's the ratio between two equality amounts by using the different units, such that what 7 day over 1 week. It's a conversation factor because 7 day equivalent 1 day. Then question letter E, you must write 7 day over 1 week. Next question, letter P. If 8 cups of flour make 4 pizzas, then there are space cups for each pizza. We can write 4 divided by what? 8 divided by 4, because we want to find space cups for each pizza. You must count here, count how many cups we have. 8 cups. Write the number of cups over the number of pizza for pizza. You can write 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the result will be 2 cups for each pizza. Okay, it was letter B. Letter C, the point 2 and 2 lies in the first quadrant because the sign here positive and positive lies in the first quadrant. Positive and positive. Right here positive and the positive. Okay,